They say God is in the detail. In Gujarat, God is in the fingers and hands of artisans busy creating handicrafts in villages and families. Look at this. Out here, they are the real superstars. Learn this exquisite embroidery. See the art of Bandhani dyeing, created to adorn young brides. Maybe that is why it is so beautiful. This Patola silk sari takes 7 months to weave, but the tale of craft it sings is more than 700 years old. The many handicrafts of Gujarat breathe in the art, the craftsmanship, the passion. Breathe in a bit of Gujarat.